break, fail, teach, arguing, drovo, converting, permeates every aspect of my being, and I am internally thankful for our profound connection. Being with you feels like returning to have a heaven place where I experiences a deep sense of belonging and affection. You are my realizations of dream. I will crash you will with every phase of my excitement, romantic deep love your message. You are love resembles a breathing sunset, illuminating my world with hopes of possessions and romance every time I go into your eyes. I beyond the reflections of my deepest longing and boundless love. Our love story found fill page of the most romantic novel, with each chapter more enchanting than the last. Your touch ignites a fire within my heart, and I am involved with flames of your love. With you every kiss feels like the first kind sparks with that illuminating my soul's the love we share is a beautiful symphony, each note resonating with the harmony of her heart. Respected partner, you are aware that is Friday and we are the Musk's partner. My father has requested your photography. Please, partner, kindly message me now with me. Photograph and roses. Partner, I needed to show you it my own. I appreciate our love is so much. I do not allow anything to come between us. Let promise each other to communicate with love and understanding, to SMSing best from each other, and always seek clarity before pain. You are my happiness, my future, and my everything. I never wanted to see you sad, just like I never to want you feel hurt. Be your word. Can we talk, make, think right? I miss you, smile and warmth. I love you forever and every my sweetheart. Love is not something that you can express in wordle. Love is something that is represented by actions and filled with heart. I don't know how loved make you feel, but trust me, you are the most precious thing in my life. I love you. I have made me believe that failing tales are real thanks to you. We don't even to try. It is always a good times. We are together. My Allah keep pleasing us. Hope has stored every best for us. I love you, sweetheart. Loving someone wholeheartedly and getting the same amount of love back has been a dream. Thank you for making possible, dear girlfriend. I cannot help but think of myself as the luckiest person because I have you have a very pair of eyes. I found myself loose in of any fading hope, happiness spaces whenever I look into them. Hope keeps me alive. Happiness is surround my every moment. Pieces remind my that in heaven I can create another words describing my love for you. You have such a profound influencing in my love that erase the memory of you even in a for a million year. I am lucky part of your life. I will love to last breath. You have made me realize how power the word love holds, understanding the true meaning of romance. Love, thanks for such a kind understanding and unifying human being in speaks. Love you, baby girl. You are a raw of loving, breathing sunshine. Hold the power of to bring out our everything around here. With our beauty also, you have the sweetest smile which melts my heart. Darling, thank you for having communications.